Hello, Alex's EDC Army. Welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where such stands for EDC gear. Today I have a Harbor Freight knife. It is a Gordon pocket knife, 3.6-inch blade with a 8 CR 13 MOV stainless steel, and it has the smooth ball bearing pivot point. Nice opening, I know. Durable composite handle, which is G10 basically, or plastic, really rough GFN plastic. Liner lock, secure blade, and drop point blade design. Precision edge, lightweight frame, compact design, and durable construction. You can pause to read all the specs in the back. But the original Harbor Freight knife got discontinued because it folded on people's fingers, and they made a new one, and now they made this one. Its item number is 57584, and I got this because of the smooth ball bearing pivot system. So when you do this, you can even reverse flick this knife. Makes it super. And what I'm going to do, it's a left and right, tip up, tip down carry. Super for a cheapy Harbor Freight knife. But what I was hoping to do, like I'm doing with my fixed blade that I'm carrying right now, is do what's called a challenge for like a week and a couple days. A challenge of how will this last, as well as with the fixed blade. I'm just going to do two size comparisons with this knife, the Ontario Rat Model 1 and the Blade HQ exclusive real steel G5 Metamorph Tanto shape of the blade. This is in AUS 8 and this is in 14C28N. Big, medium, and this is the medium, this is the biggest, this is the second biggest. And for it being a Gordon knife and less than $15, it's like $10 or less than $11, it is good. It is good. Not really any blade plate, barely any side to side. For being that cheap, it is great. It is a 3.6-inch blade length with a closed length of 4.2 inches and an overall length of 7 inches. It is a really good blade for the price with the ball bearing pivot system. So I'm going to do the challenge and let you know. I've already cut with it and it cuts good. I've already flipped it and it flips good. Sorry, my mom's in the background telling my brother to get to go because his work time is soon. For being this kind of knife, it's pretty good for the price and how it's centering is great. You feel this? Yes. So the D10 is not up to lefty EDC standards or even mine. You can't shake it out. You can still hear it rattle. But for less than $11 after tax at Harbor Freight, this is a good knife to do a challenge with, and it is super, super great. Handle feel, grippy, 4-position up, down, tip up, tip down, left and right hand pocket clip. That works superbly. This works superbly. Reverse flick works superbly. Superbly. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. let me know what you think of this challenge in the comment section below. And if you've used a knife like this, let me know. And the review will be either today or tomorrow about this Gordon Harbor Freight pocket knife with smooth ball bearing pivot point system and HCR13 MOV stainless steel blade construction. And remember to use those sharp blades